Hey everyone, my name's Autumn Taylor, and today I'm going to be doing a blindfolded taste test. My sister's over here, and she's going to be putting stuff in my mouth. Hopefully it won't be anything too bad. So, let's get to it. Please don't start me out with something disgusting.
It's not that bad. You ready?
Oh god, it's tartar sauce, isn't
Yeah.
it? Oh.
Okay. Good. Okay, you just right.
Oh. Plain, just no.
You need fish sticks. Okay.
I might have to break into my secret candy stash.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Not right now. Okay.
Oh god, that flavor is just going to be in my mouth all day long.
You'll be burping it. Okay. Ready?
Now I'm worried. If that was the first one that you give me, then I'm worried.
Trust
I
me.
think that's what I was smelling was the tartar sauce.
Yeah, because it has like lemons and stuff.
So I thought I was smelling mustard. Mm-mm.
Okay, next one.
God.
Okay, ready?
Please don't do anything else super disgusting. Give me something good. Is there anything good over there?
Yeah. Okay, ready?
I'm not happy right now. I'm not a happy person.
What is it? Was it bad?
What was that?
It was blueberry syrup.
What? That wasn't... Oh, no. Oh yeah, the other one was Texas Pete.
No, it was Frank's red hot sauce.
It wasn't?
Yep.
I thought it was Texas Pete.
I mean,
But I would never have guessed that that was blueberry syrup. Never.
I don't know.
That almost made me gag. Like I felt like I was going to throw up.
It was blueberry syrup. I don't know. Maybe I should check the date.
You should have checked the date.
Yeah. Maybe. Okay. You ready for your next one? Okay.
Oh, this flavor in my mouth is not good.
Okay.
How many of these do we have?
12. Oh god.
We've done...
1, 2, 3.
Oh,
We've done 4.
No. Why did I sign up for this?
I don't know.
No. No. Mm-mm.
Are you gonna throw up?
What was that? What was it? That was disgusting.
It was sweet relish.
Oh, I've never had sweet relish. You said I've had all these things. I've had sweet pickles.
That's kind of what sweet relish is.
No.
I
That
don't
didn't
know.
taste- Alright, I have to do it.
No, don't do it. Don't do it. No, because it's sour.
No, don't take it. By the way, that's my candy stash.
Okay.
Oh no, that flavor.
Okay. You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please don't do anything too bad. I'm scared now.
Ready?
Alright, this is the 6th one, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're halfway.
Okay, ready? Yeah, you might want.
Is this too bad?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Oh, God, what was that?
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise should not be ate like that.
Okay.
Eaten.
Yeah. Okay.
Is there anything good over there?
Yes. Here, I'll go ahead and give you something.
God. I think I almost threw up.
Okay. It's something good. At least I thought it would be something good. Are you gonna spit it out? What was it?
I don't know, but I really don't want to finish chewing it up. It feels syrupy.
Yeah, it was pineapple topping. I figured it would be good.
These good things that you're giving me aren't that good.
I mean, it was blueberry syrup and pineapple topping. You put it on ice cream and pancakes and...
I don't know, maybe it's the flavors of everything else, but
yeah, that's probably what it is.
that box down there, you don't want to smell it. Like, you really don't want to.
Okay, you ready? Next one.
That was the 7th, right?
Okay.
I really don't know how much longer I can do this. I'm feeling sick on my stomach. Oh, God. Is this really bad?
No.
Will it make me throw up?
No.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Oh, God, I really don't like having random things put in my mouth. Why did I decide to do this?
I don't know. You told me to go to the store and get things.
Is it lemon juice?
Yep. Bing bing. Yeah.
Okay, that wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Okay, ready for it?
At first I wasn't sure if it's hot sauce. My taste buds are going haywire. It felt spicy.
Okay, next one.
This is number 8, right?
Okay.
I'm like not getting any of these right. I'm not good at tasting things.
This is actually number 9.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Oh, God. This is really bad. Your silence is very assuring.
Just eat it.
What does it smell?
Just eat
Is it cocoa powder?
No.
Yeah, it is.
I swear it's not. I didn't even think of that, but I should have.
Oh,
What was it?
I don't know.
Okay, ready for your next one?
No.
Don't
What
worry.
was that?
It was sweet peas, baby food.
Hold on, give me a second.
Okay.
I like actually honestly feel like I'm gonna throw up. Do you have it in your hand right now? The next one?
Yep.
Sit it down.
Why?
Because
Oh.
I need a minute.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's no 5 things left.
I'm doing this. I don't care.
Oh, there's 6. Sorry. 6 things. Don't worry, the rest of the stuff actually isn't that bad.
Better not be.
I kind of did the more bad things first.
Oh. Yes. Sweet tarts. Very good.
Okay.
Alright.
You ready? Okay.
I wasn't sure if I was gonna make it there for a second.
Okay, ready? You should like this one, unless you just have a really bad flavor in your mouth. Okay, ready?
Okay.
What is it?
It was ranch.
Yep.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, you like it.
Yeah, but a spoonful of it like that, like...
Well, I figured it would be something that you could like tolerate.
Yeah. Alright, this one's number 11, right? Because last one was number 9, and then we just did
No.
one. That
Yeah.
was number 10. This is number 11. Okay. Oh, God. Is it really bad? I know I keep saying that, but, like, my stomach is feeling...
Honestly, I really don't know.
My stomach is feeling so queasy right now.
You can ask me, but I really do not know.
You've never had it?
Sort of.
And I guess it's another baby food.
Nope.
I smell it. I didn't like that smell.
Open up. Open up.
This is number 11, right?
Thank
Then the next one is the last one.
No, it's not last one.
There was 12.
No. I said I was gonna do 12, but then we added a few more.
You said there was 12. I've been sitting here
There's
going...
4 left. Well, what? Technically 5, because you're not eating this one. Open up. Open up. What was it?
I don't know. But you keep giving me, like, sour things. Things that taste like that relish. And I don't like it. You keep putting these weird things into my mouth. And,
You want me to tell you what it was?
yeah,
It was black olives.
you know that I don't like olives.
Why I did it.
Okay, ready?
Next one.
There's 4 more left, right?
Yep.
I really don't want to puke.
You're not gonna puke, don't worry.
Is this one, like, good or bad?
I don't know.
I keep...
Open up.
Oh, no. No. That smell.
Open up.
It smells like another one. Are you giving me another relishy pickled thing?
No. Open. Oh. Open up.
You're over there making noises.
I just spelled it and it didn't spell like right. Here, open up.
This is gonna be the end of me. I'm gonna die.
Maybe. Here, open up.
I'm gonna die and then there's gonna be no more videos.
Open up. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Mm-mm. What kind of hot sauce was that? What was that? My mouth is on fire. Was that the ghost pepper sauce?
Yep. Ding ding, you
You are evil.
Okay, you ready?
You should have at least saved that for last.
No.
Which now, thankfully, my mouth is gonna be numb and I probably won't even be able to taste anything else.
Don't worry. You ready?
This better be like milk or something.
Yeah. Big spoonful of milk. Here, open up.
Oh no.
What?
It better not be like a spoonful of buttermilk.
Oh, I didn't buy any buttermilk. Okay.
A whole jug of
The whole
buttermilk.
a whole jug of buttermilk we're not going to use for one tiny spoonful. Here. Open up.
My mouth.
I'm telling you,
I can't even
this
feel
one
it.
honestly isn't that bad. And if like it tastes bad, it's just
Oh,
because
my
you're
lips
eating
burn.
things. Don't worry, this will clear.
That was hot.
Here, this will help. Just do it. Good?
Was it like caramel?
Yep. Did it help?
No, it actually made it worse.
Oh, sorry. Okay, here's the last thing.
The last
Or
thing.
the one before the last, I mean, it's fine.
You did that on purpose, didn't you?
Nope.
Oh my god, it hurts so bad. Why didn't you give that to me last?
I don't like the smell. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Airplane. You gotta open up for the airplane to go.
What was that?
That I just gave you?
Yes.
Baby food. It was turkey and gravy. Turkey and gravy.
No. I feel bad for any children who have to eat that.
Yep. Okay, put that blindfold back on.
That was disgusting.
There's one last thing.
That almost made me throw up.
That's why I didn't give you the That's why I waited till after I gave it to
Did you
Joseph.
save the worst for last?
No. Nope. Okay, ready? It's the last thing. Ready? Open up.
Is it good?
We just have to find out.
Oh my god, my mouth is still on fire. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Open up.
Oh god.
You do throw up. It'll be like burning hot. Open up. Ready? Open up. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh,
What was it?
that was the cake pudding stuff.
Yep. I don't actually know the name of it.
Oh man, I'm like actually tearing up.
With joy?
No. I'm tearing up because of that turkey and everything else before it. And here's the aftermath. That was really disgusting, but also kind of fun. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you want more content, make sure you click that subscribe button. I should be posting another video next Wednesday. Bye!